I have another great video for you. Before we get into it, I just want to say, for anyone out there that is not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe today. I'm going to be putting out a lot more content and you're going to be seeing a lot more videos. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification icon right now. Now let's get started in this video. We're back. So let's take a look here. The topic of today's video is best credit cards for students. I am on this website right now, as you can see right here on my screen. It is US News, so it's usnews.com, but you can actually put in creditcards.usnews.com to get to the website. I think this was updated July this month. And for anyone out there who wants to know more about the best credit cards, this is actually one of the best websites to go to. I have a few others and I will link them below, or you can check out my other videos on credit cards. For all the students out there that is looking for a credit card and not sure which one's geared towards you, well, these are for you. Okay, so let's click on student, best student credit cards. Now, before I go into this, I am not telling you students out there that you have to get a credit card and you have to rack it up. That is not what I'm telling you. You really need to be responsible. A credit card is just another form of payment. You're still going to have to make those payments. In order to have a good credit score, in order to build credit, you have to utilize your credit. You have to utilize a credit card. But that doesn't mean you're going to take that credit card and shop everywhere you go just to get the new Jordans or to get the new Yeezys or whatever the new thing is out right now. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm telling you, this is your chance to show how responsible you are to your parents, to your guardians. I can get this credit card, but I'm going to be responsible and I'm going to know exactly what I need to do in order to use it correctly, and only for emergencies. Like 99% of the time, it should really be for emergencies. Okay, so I said my piece on that. Let's get into the credit cards. Student credit cards are designed for college students who have no or limited credit. These cards usually offer low credit limits and most don't charge annual fees. If you're new to credit cards and want to learn how to use them responsibly, you're in the right place. That's good to know. So it says here, best feature, flat rate cash back on all purchases. So you get a cash back. It says Chase Freedom Unlimited. You earn a $150 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in your first 3 months from account opening. Earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. 0% intro APR for 15 months from account opening on purchases. Then variable APR of 14.99% to 23.74%. No annual fee, no minimum to redeem for cash back. Cash back rewards do not expire as long as your account is open. So if you're thinking about making a purchase, they're giving you a really good APR, good intro APR, 0% for 15 months. I mean, that might sound like a catch to some people, and it probably is. So you can spend and spend. But you really have to use these. You have to use the highlights here pertaining to this card to your benefit. There's no annual fees, so that's really good. There's no extra money you would have to put towards this credit card. There's no minimum to redeem for cash back. It's easily redeemed. 0% APR for 15 months. I mean, that's really good. 15 months. So if there's let's say if you're going to college and you wanted a laptop, you can split that up in 15 months and you're paying it every month for 15 months. You will pay nothing out of pocket for interest. I mean, that's such a good card. I'd give Chase Freedom Unlimited an A+. Pretty good card. Okay, so let's take a look at Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card for students. So this card has a lot more features here. Let's see. 3% cash back in the category of your choice. Gas, online shopping, dining, travel, drugstores, or home improvement furnishings. So basically you would get 3% on online shopping. Yeah. 2% cash back at groceries and wholesale clubs. That's pretty good. 2% when you go to wholesale clubs, so like BJ's and Costco. That's a win-win. And 1% back on all other purchases. You'll earn 3% and 2% cash back on the first $2,500 in combined choice category, grocery store, or wholesale club purchases each quarter, and then 1%. Enjoy no annual fee while choosing how you earn rewards and getting on the path to building your credit. Winner, Bank of America Money Best Bank for college students. So far, I'm not liking this. I do like the 3% cash back on this category for a student, but this, I'm not sure if that makes sense. And this doesn't mean anything to me. It doesn't mean anything because it's not like an incentive. It doesn't give you any, that's not an incentive. Sorry, I give it a big X. Easily manage your bank accounts and finances online with online banking and our award-winning mobile app that students stay in control of their finances and make payments. Seriously, I think all banks do this. Still not liking it. Now you can access FICO score updated monthly for free. I think most banks do that. Not impressed. Online, $200 cash reward bonus after making at least $1,000 purchases in the first 90 days of your account. Okay, I like that one. That's good. That's an incentive. The rest of it here, from here to here, I just don't think it's not good. If I were to grade Bank of America and this credit card for students, I'd give it a C-. Moving on to the next one. This one's also a Bank of America. Bank of America Travel Rewards credit card for students. It says here, ditch the restrictions of typical airline rewards cards. Any airline, any hotel, anytime, no blackout dates. Okay, that's pretty good. You know, for a student, I'm not sure if that makes sense, but hey, probably does for some students. Enjoy no annual fee. That's a good plus. No foreign transaction fee. And you can earn points to use for statement credit to pay for flights, hotels, vacation packages, cruises, rental cars, or baggage fees. Okay, I think that sounds good. Let's keep going. Earn unlimited 1.5 points for every $1 you spend on all purchases everywhere, every time, and no expiration on points. A fixed payment due date that helps you know when your payment is due. Huh? Don't all credit cards do that? Let me know in the comments below what you think about that one. I don't know. Somebody needs to rewrite that. Rewrite that line, please. Use mobile banking and text alerts to stay on top of your account. Nothing enticing there. 25,000 online bonus points if you make at least $1,000 in purchases in the first 90 days of your account opening. Okay, that's a good steal. That's a good win, which can be redeemed for a $250 statement credit towards travel purchases. That sounds good. You get points. You earn unlimited 1.5 points for each one for every dollar you spend. That sounds good. I would give this card C+. Seems okay. Now let's move on. So Wells Fargo Cash Back College Card. Build credit history while you're in college. I think they all do that. Tell me something new, please. 3% cash back, cash rewards earned for up to $2,500 spent on gas, grocery, and drugstores purchases for the first 6 months. Again, I'm not sure if students would like that. I mean, maybe it's not something worthwhile. No annual fee, low intro APR to help buy what you need while you're in college. I like that. Flexibility to use cash rewards towards travel, gift cards, merchandise, cash redemption options, and more. Okay, I like that. That's getting better. Access your FICO score, credit education, and tools with Wells Fargo Online. They're giving you education on financing. I think that's good information. Gives you more information here at the bottom. The low APR, is this really a low APR? It just has low APR here, but then it's also giving you, to me, that's a high APR, especially when the other cards is giving you a 0%. I'd give this card a C+. It's going downhill from here. Okay, Deserve Edu MasterCard for students. Let's see how this one plays out. It says APR is 18.74%. Oh, no way. Receive 1 year of Amazon Prime student on Deserve after your first purchase with your new Deserve EDU MasterCard, lifetime value of $59. First year, when you receive this card, you'll get a free Amazon Prime student membership. That's $60 worth. I think that's good, especially when there is no annual fee. Feel secure with cell phone protection up to $600. Finally, something that I can say that students will need protection on their device. So that's awesome. $600. No deposit required, no annual fees, no international transaction fees on purchases abroad, so you can travel with confidence. No social security number required for international students to apply, so that's international students friendly. Very good. Refer a friend program. Refer anyone to Deserve using your personal referral code. Upon approval, card activation, and use, you'll receive $30, and so will your referral. So that's pretty cool. Referral bonuses are unlimited. Okay, so that's pretty good. Manage and track your spending. Same thing like the other one. You can do that on your account or app, and you can see if you pre-qualify with no impact to your credit scores in minutes. Enjoy MasterCard Platinum benefits intended to make your life easier, MasterCard ID theft prevention, and Master Rental. Okay, so the score I would give this credit card, I love to feel secure with your cell phone protection up to $600. I think that's pretty awesome. So I'm going to give this one a B+. Okay, so this is the summary of best student credit cards of July 2020. That's what I think about these cards, and I'm sure there's plenty more out there if you look on other websites, but this will give you the summary of all of them. I particularly like Chase Freedom Unlimited much more than the others. So far, so good. Let me know which card is best in your opinion. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.